Wise UK bank account. Does it replace your high street bank? Well, the great banking divide. High Street Bank, FSCS, protection up to £85, physical branch and in-person service, full credit products, loan, mortgage and overdraft, regulated UK licensed institution. Wise, on the other hand, money service business, EMI, not a full bank. Global speed and low cost international transfers, multi-currency utility for digital economy. No branch network at first experience. So, what do you gain the multi-currency advantage? 40 currencies, guys. 40 plus currencies. Now, that's a lot of currencies. Hold and send and spend over 40 currencies simultaneously, far beyond any standard checking account. And wise assets earn valuable interest on GBP balance, offering a competitive alternate to stagnant high street saving rates. True exchange rate, real-time mid-market rate with no hidden spreads. The fee legacy banks quietly embedded in every transfer. So, the reality check where Wise falls short. So it has no credit products, no cash or check deposits, limited FSCS protection. Wise is an EMI, not a full UK licensed bank. So Wise is specialized tool, not a universal replacement. So the honest verdict for the global citizen, use Wise as primary account for travel, international payments, and multi-currency business, unbeatable on fees and flexibility. For traditionalists, high street bank remain essential for credit product, cash handling, and full FSCS protection on core savings. Best practice, treat Wise as a powerful stay light to your legacy account. Optimize everyday fees while retaining security where it matters most. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, search that below question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.